Are you tired of uncomfortable, flimsy lawn chairs that ruin your outdoor relaxation? Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the absolute best folding lawn chair that will change the way you enjoy the outdoors. I've spent weeks testing dozens of chairs, from the beach to the campground to my own backyard, to find the ones that offer the best in comfort, portability, and durability. In this video, I'm going to count down my top 7 picks, from good to absolutely incredible, so you can find the perfect chair for your needs and budget. We'll look at everything from ultralight backpacking models to luxurious, feature-packed thrones. So, stick around. 7. LENCE Portable Camping Chair. This is a chair that you'll see frequently recommended for its budget-friendly price and lightweight design, and for good reason. When I first unboxed it, I was immediately struck by how compact and light it was. The whole thing packs down into a small carrying bag that could easily fit into a backpack or be stashed in the car without taking up much space. The setup is guided by shock-corded poles, similar to a modern tent, which practically assemble themselves. You just connect the aluminum alloy poles into the plastic hubs and then stretch the fabric seat over the 4 corners of the frame. The first time setting it up can feel a bit stiff, but after a couple of tries, it becomes second nature. The comfort level is surprisingly decent for such a minimalist chair. It features a bucket-style seat that you sink into, which provides a nice, cradled feeling. The main body of the seat is made from a durable Oxford cloth, and it incorporates mesh panels on the sides and back. This is a fantastic feature for hot summer days, as it allows for plenty of airflow, preventing that sticky, sweaty feeling you can get with solid fabric chairs. I spent an afternoon reading in this chair by the lake, and I appreciated the ventilation. It's certainly more comfortable than sitting on the ground or a log, offering a good amount of support for your lower back. 6. ONETIGRIS CEZDY05 Tigerblade. ONETIGRIS is a brand known for its tactical and outdoor gear, and this chair certainly reflects that rugged aesthetic. What immediately sets the Tigerblade apart is its unique frame design and setup process. Instead of a standard 4-leg base, it has a tripod-like structure that is wider at the front than in the back. The frame has a clever locking mechanism in the center. You spread the legs apart until a central pole clicks and locks into place, creating a taut and stable base for the seat fabric. This design makes attaching the seat incredibly easy, far less of a struggle than with some other ultralight chairs where you have to really muscle the fabric onto the poles. In terms of comfort, the Tigerblade performs quite well. The seating position is comfortable for lounging, allowing you to either sit up straight or lean back and relax. The fabric feels durable, and the chair I tested came in a coyote brown color that looks great in an outdoor setting. The seat height is reasonable, making it easier to get in and out of than some of the lower-slung backpacking chairs. For its price point, I was impressed with the overall feel and the quality of the materials. The stitching is solid and the frame components feel robust, giving you confidence that it can handle regular use on your camping or overlanding trips. However, the unique frame design that makes setup so easy is also the source of its biggest drawback: stability. Number 5. Kijaro Dual Lock Chair 5402. This is where we start getting into some seriously comfortable and reliable options. And the Kijaro is a fan favorite for many reasons. The first thing you'll notice is its solid, traditional quad chair design, but with a significant upgrade: the dual lock mechanism. This feature is a game changer. Prosody 7%. With the push of a button, the chair locks into an open, taut position, which prevents the annoying sagging you get with cheaper folding chairs. It also locks closed, keeping it securely bundled for transport. This attention to stability and support is evident the moment you sit down. The comfort of the Kijaro Dual Lock is where it truly shines. It offers excellent back support thanks to that taut, no-sag seat. You can sit in this chair for hours around a campfire without feeling slouched or cramped. The backrest is made of a breathable mesh, which provides fantastic airflow on warm evenings, and the ripstop polyester fabric feels both durable and quick-drying. The seat height is another major plus. At 20 inches, it's taller than many camping chairs, making it incredibly easy to get in and out of, which is a feature you'll appreciate after a long day of hiking. The armrests are positioned at a comfortable height, adding to the overall relaxed posture. This chair is also packed with thoughtful features that enhance its usability. It comes with 2 cup holders of different sizes, one for a standard can or bottle, and another larger one that can accommodate a 32-ounce water bottle or an insulated tumbler. 4. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair. This chair is all about getting you comfortable and close to the action, whether that's a campfire, an outdoor concert, or a day at the beach. Its defining feature is its low-slung design, which sits you just about 5 inches off the ground. This creates a very relaxed, laid-back seating position that I found perfect for stretching my legs out and just chilling. It's the quintessential beach and concert chair, allowing you to enjoy the view without blocking the people behind you. Despite its low profile, this chair is surprisingly comfortable. The seat and back are made from a breathable mesh fabric that provides excellent ventilation, which is a must-have for hot, sunny days. The armrests are cushioned, a nice touch that adds a bit of extra comfort where you need it. The frame is a sturdy combination of steel and aluminum, giving it a weight capacity of 250 pounds, while keeping the chair itself relatively lightweight at under 7 pounds. It feels solid and secure when you're sitting in it, with none of the wobbliness I've experienced with some other lightweight chairs. Portability is another key advantage of the Cascade Mountain Tech chair. It folds up quickly and easily into a compact size that stows away neatly in its included carry bag. The bag has a shoulder strap, making it easy to transport from your car to your destination. I took it to an outdoor movie night in the park, and it was effortless to carry along with my blanket and cooler. 3. Najura CC 2P Gray. What's immediately appealing about the Najura is that it often comes as a 2-pack, making it an exceptionally budget-friendly choice for couples or families. But don't let the price fool you. This chair is thoughtfully designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The first thing I noticed upon testing it was the fully cushioned seat and back. Unlike many camp chairs that are just a single layer of fabric, the Najura has padding that makes a noticeable difference during long periods of sitting. The standout feature, and one that I found myself using constantly, is the built-in cooler pouch in the armrest. This insulated pocket is designed to hold up to 4 cans, keeping your beverages cold and within arm's reach. It's a brilliant addition that eliminates the need to constantly get up and go to the main cooler. On the other armrest, you have a standard mesh cup holder for your active drink, as well as a side storage pocket that's perfect for your phone, keys, or a book. The combination of these features makes the Najura feel like a personal relaxation station. The chair itself is built on a sturdy steel frame with a classic quad-fold design that is easy to set up and take down. It's lightweight for a chair with these features, weighing only about 6 pounds, and it collapses down to fit into its included carry bag for easy transport. The 18.1-inch sitting height is a comfortable middle ground, not too high, not too low, making it accessible for most people. 2. GCI Outdoor 410148 KickBack Rocker. This isn't just a chair, it's a portable rocking chair. GCI's patented spring-action rocking technology is the star of the show here. It uses powerful springs on the back legs of the chair to create a smooth, gentle rocking motion on almost any surface, from grass and dirt to pavement. The first time I sat down and leaned back, I was sold. The ability to rock back and forth adds a dynamic element of relaxation that you just can't get from a static chair. It's incredibly soothing, whether you're watching the sunset, sitting by a lake, or just enjoying your backyard. The KickBack rocker is designed for a relaxed, slightly reclined seating position. It has a mid-size profile with a lower seat and an angled backrest, which encourages you to lean back and enjoy the rocking motion. The chair is built on a powder-coated steel frame that feels incredibly sturdy and durable, supporting up to 250 pounds. Even while rocking on slightly uneven ground, the chair felt stable and secure. The ripstop polyester fabric is tough and should hold up well to regular use, though GCI does recommend storing it indoors to prolong its life. GCI didn't skimp on the convenience features either. The KickBack rocker includes a built-in beverage holder to keep your drink steady, and an integrated phone pocket on the side is perfectly placed for easy access. When it's time to pack up, the chair folds up flat in a single motion. 1. SUNNYFEEL AC3008F Director's Chair. This chair is the epitome of outdoor luxury and convenience, combining rock-solid stability, oversized comfort, and premium features to create an unparalleled seating experience. From the moment I unfolded it, I could tell this chair was in a different league. The director's chair design, with its rigid frame and upright seating posture, provides a level of support and stability that is unmatched by typical folding chairs. It feels less like a temporary camp chair and more like a piece of real furniture. The comfort is simply exceptional. The chair features a wide, oversized seat and a solid backrest, both of which are padded for extra cushioning. You don't sink or sag in this chair. You are properly supported, which makes it comfortable to sit in for hours on end. The heavy-duty frame is rated for a high weight capacity, and you can feel that robustness in its construction. This is a chair that inspires confidence. You can sit down, stand up, and move around without any fear of wobbling or tipping. It's perfect for larger individuals or anyone who simply prefers a more spacious and secure seat. What truly sets the SUNNYFEEL Director's Chair apart is its integrated side table. This foldable table clicks securely into place and is large enough to hold a plate of food, a book, and a drink in its recessed cup holder. This single feature transforms the chair from just a place to sit into a personal command center for your outdoor relaxation. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.